All you YouTubers out there, this is a quick tutorial on how to do a fecal on a goat. Just so you know, I did work as a veterinary technician, and very good at doing my own fecal. So, unfortunately, this is my only counter space. So, this is my kitchen counter. This is where I get to do it at. Okay. That being said, the microscope I got from Maggie Dan's. I kind of wish I had a tube viewer, but you make do. And I do not have a thing so that I can show you what shows up on the fecal. But this is your float solution. I went out, got some fecal matter from Pongo. So you pour it in there. Okay. Switch it around, switch it around, switch it around, switch it around. There you go. Just swish it around. That's all you need to do on these little things here. You can use a Dixie cup and a stick if you want. Okay. This also helps keep it's got a kind of a strainer in it built in, so it helps keep it the large pieces of debris like hay and things like that out of your thing. So I just sit there and do that a few times. This is why I don't do live stream. Okay. Do a little bit more. There you go. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay. There you go. Ready? Set. There you go. Alright. Then what we do is fill it all the way up to the top. So you get it like a slight dome at the top. I need to put this little thing right here. Stabilize it so it don't flop back and forth. There we go. Yes. Can you see it? Where am I? Gosh. Oh, move that right there. Okay. So I stuck the paper towel in there to keep it from moving around. There we go. Okay. That. Then you put one of these right on top. There you go. Set, weigh it. "15 minutes. Oh, there we go. Start. 15 minutes. So, all right. I'll see you back in a few. Okay, we're back, and my Evo shift is like running out of juice, so I gotta hurry up with this. Okay, so at this point in time, take your slide by the two corners here, lift straight up, and then down. So, and then you just read it. Now, I don't think that I can. Oops. These slides are a little bit big for this, so there you go. Get my phone to do this, so I'm going to read it. But pretty much, this is a fecal float. You take a fecal into veterinarian's office, and a lot of times they'll use a centrifuge to do basically the same thing. So, all right, let's see what I can find right off the bat. The nice thing about it is, turn the light down, I'm blind myself. Okay, and we are on. I usually start number 10 times. Up. And I usually start on an edge. There we go. This. Oh my goodness. Wow. Get that one right here. You want to get a close-up view. This little guy did not need barber pole. Barber pole generally doesn't cause diarrhea. And there we go. Yep. Okay. So we definitely have on Pongo a barber pole issue right off the bat. He is just, it's all over. Oop, there went my Evo. Alright guys. See you later. I'll let you know the results.